Marla. Welcome. Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you.
I cannot believe you've coerced me into this. Polishing silver.
Well, and this will be fun. You're kind of a hard one to get in touch with because you've got a lot of things going on in your life.
Fortunately, yeah. Well, we've got the Ramble coming up soon at Linwood, which will be fun. It's showing secretive symbols of the cemetery. Just all of the meaning carved into the monuments up there.
Okay.
And it's pretty cool. So.
And tell us again when the date is.
It is the third Thursday in October, which is the 15th this year. A wonderful supper.
Okay.
And it is worth coming to. And
well,
we appreciate everybody's
Yeah, it really is fun because we've gone maybe the last 3-4 years, and it really is one of the funnest events, I think, in Columbus. So
I mean, there's nothing spooky about a cemetery. They're beautiful. And that's what we want people to know. They're parks.
They're parks, exactly. So today's going to be fun because it's nothing to do with Linwood Cemetery. No. It's all about
work.
And you are, oh my gosh, we've been over here several times for dinner parties, for Christmas, and every time I come in here, your house is just spectacular. And the one thing that I've always noticed about your home, as well as a lot of other Columbus homes, is the silver polishing. So Columbus people know how to polish their silver, and you are no exception. So we've got a special treat with Elliott. So I've brought some flowers from my dear friend Elaine Lothbaum from her yard, and we're going to polish up a little vase to put these in. So let's get started. All right, so step one is get your rags ready. You just ripped them in half, so I got my rag. You got your
just
rag.
Good terry cloth towels that have been around for a while. They're soft, so they make good for scrubbing as well as buffing afterwards. And then I've learned, put your gloves on. The silver polish tends to get in your fingernails, and if you're going back out later or having people over, it's pretty gross to have black fingernails.
Okay.
So I always
leftover from your COVID pile. Everybody wearing gloves, okay?
Oh, sure.
All right, so getting our gloves on.
I miss COVID. It's a reason not to have to polish silver.
A reason not to. Okay, and then speaking of silver, I thought this was so interesting. So a lot of y'all may not know this. We were over here one time recently, and during the summertime, and so you had your table all set up with crystal goblets, and I said, Elliott, where are your beautiful silver goblets? And what did you tell me? I had never heard this before about Southerners.
Well, yeah, I didn't really think about it. It was just something that was done at home. It was just all sort of disappeared in the summer. But I looked it up just before you came here, and apparently Southerners just used to disappear from home for the summer. They'd go up to Highlands or Cashiers or Flat Rock to try and escape the Columbus heat. Well, actually all Southerners did. And so they would polish it and then put it away and store it for the summer. Heat and humidity apparently are the two worst enemies of shiny silver.
Okay.
So that's why it got put away.
That's why it got put away.
And then some people rolled up their wool rugs and put down grass ones and changed out the curtains.
Slip covers to kind of lighten the furniture.
The old white furniture, slip covers. Yeah. And the Shorter family here, Edward Shorter started a museum. They even changed their artwork to make it look cooler. So anyway.
I love it. So
there's a lot around.
Interesting. So with this, so we'll get started with the silver, and so this polish, this is the one we always see in the grocery store, any Publix. So, but I've never seen this one before. And you said this is what Trinity
That's
uses.
What they use. The altar yield down there uses for all the brass and all the silver.
Okay.
And it gives it a different hue. I thought we might compare and see what one of them did with one cup and one of them did with the other.
Okay. So you pulled out of your storage closet a piece that's very tarnished. So
I couldn't believe you thought I actually had tarnished silver.
And do you think we're going to get that to that?
Time will tell.
Let's do it. All right. Well, this is going to be a good demonstration. Okay. All right. So what do we do?
Let's start. I'll give you the known entity.
Okay.
And you just put a little bit on the sponge that comes with it.
Okay.
The moss, which you can get online. You need your towel.
Okay.
And with this, you end up washing that after you polish it. But with the moss, you just keep rubbing it
Okay.
until it all disappears.
And okay, I love this. This is a mint julep cup, and I see you've got an engraved event of some sort on there with a date, which is very Southern.
And that was my father's. So.
I love that, which is a very Southern tradition.
That's the cool thing about the silver is that so much of it is family originated and passed down.
With a story and passed down. Okay, so that's...
I don't know if you can tell the difference there, but
anyway. Yeah, okay. So do you want me to do that one with this one?
You didn't think I was going to do all of this by myself,
okay, so So I need to go over to the sink then.
To wash that off, yeah.
To wash, okay, so I can start it here.
Yeah.
I'm not getting much silver color. Oh, but then, okay, I've also heard too to be careful because you can rub the silver wear down, right? Is that a myth?
I don't know. No, it's probably true. I mean, if you can wear down stone steps.
Or take some of the silver off over time, no.
I'm sure it does take a little bit of it, but it's not significant.
It's not significant. Okay, so I've got this all polished.
And just
and then
take it over. And
then I'll take it over to the sink.
And the hotter water you can use, the better.
Okay.
There you go. And just give it a rinse. And then use the sponge.
Okay, so you really...
You want to get all of the white cream off of it. And then just put it up here.
Okay.
And we'll come back and... You can let it drip dry for a little while.
Okay.
Or just go ahead and...
There we go. And for the flowers that I brought, those are perfect. Those are perfect. Those mint julep cups is little.
Well, I think the nice thing about silver is just because it's a cup doesn't mean you have to use it as a cup.
Right.
You put one of the heads of limelight in there.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful.
And it's beautiful.
You can just stick it on the table, stick it in your bathroom.
Yeah.
Stick it wherever.
I put mine even at my desk, like to put my little pencils and pen in, toothbrush in the bathroom, all sorts of uses. So, all right. So now let's go over here to.
All right. Let's attempt this beautiful one. And I think I'll give this one, we'll see.
Okay. You're starting off with the right.
Well, just to see.
Just
I'll
to
do
see.
one side with it. Well, I think this one needs a whole lot more help than we can give it.
It's working though.
Yeah.
How long do you think that's been, like, how much, like, age-wise, silver, like, you've been letting it sit in there to get that dark? It surprises me, yes.
You ask a lot of questions.
But that is such a pretty, with all the pattern, what do you call it? Like, it's not smooth.
There's a word for it.
But
I can't remember what it is.
And so, like, this is what you would put. Is this a water?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a water goblet.
As far as I know. But yeah. I think.
Oh my gosh, you sure did. Okay.
So that's
moss
just wins. Yeah.
The moss wins. It sure does. What a difference. Because look. Yeah. Hardly anything there.
Yeah. I mean, you
and where do you get this? Just on
Amazon? I ordered that online. And one tube, I mean, a little bit of it goes a long way. So.
Okay, so that's the secret, really, is that moss metal polish.
The Altar Guild knows best.
The Altar Guild knows best. Well, there you go.
I'll finish that one out after y'all leave. Anyway, but there are all sorts of good little things to do. This is a bread and butter plate. And nobody uses bread and butter plates anymore, so I use it as a coaster on the table. Just to put a bottle of wine in it.
Okay, yes. I've seen it when you do, put a red and a white on each side. put it on your dressing table to catch your little rings and bracelets on. That's what's so fun. That's what I would be using.
Yes.
Yes. But that's what's so fun about all these silver pieces. So many uses for what they were intended for originally.
And do not put it away.
Yeah.
Enjoy it. Except maybe not in the summer. But enjoy it. That's what it's for. It's the memories it created around things. The ding from when Uncle Fred got a little tipsy at Christmas and decided to use it as a Frisbee with the kids. You know, you don't ever know. And then the other thing you can do is wish people a happy birthday.
Well, thank you so much. Aren't you sweet? Well, I'm going to take my gloves off now that we've finished polishing, and that's very sweet. Well, thank you. All right, well, let's finish up by finding a vase to, that.
Well, like
and
you
then,
said, anything can be used for it. This is just a silver goblet. All right, Marla, I've done the tough part.
Okay.
You stick the flowers in it.
Let's just, well,
Probably need to trim them.
Gonna have to trim those, yeah.
That's why I gave you this job.
Oh, you can give me the job. Okay, so we'll trim these. Give a little snip there.
A couple there and one in each of the others.
Oh, so you want to, all right, well, that's a good, because I'm making a mess.
So am I.
Just snip this a little bit more. Oh, that's pretty.
Not my
just
forte.
look.
Yep.
That's pretty. Just one.
All
right.
Put it on the bar or wherever.
Put it on the bar. Here we go. Next to my cake from you, and thank you so much.
Sure. Enjoy and happy birthday.
Thank you. All right, well, this has been a fun little how-to on how to polish silver and to get to see you and your beautiful condo here.
Thank you.
And thank you so much, and cheers.
Chin chin.